In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly add a physical card to your Google Wallet. Whether it's your membership card, loyalty card, or any other non-payment card, adding it to your Google Wallet is a convenient way to keep track of it digitally, ensuring you never forget it at home again. First, you need to open the Google Wallet app on your device. This app is your go-to for storing digital versions of your cards, tickets, and even boarding passes in one secure place. Once you've got the app open, make sure that you're logged in. It's crucial to be logged into your Google account because this account is what keeps your wallet synchronized and secure across all your devices. Next, you're going to find and click on the option that says Add to Wallet. This is your gateway to beginning the process of digitizing your card. Once you click on this, you'll be presented with a couple of options. What you should do here is select Everything Else. This option is specially designed for cards that aren't directly tied to financial transactions, like various types of membership or loyalty cards you might want to keep handy. Now, here's where the magic happens. You are now ready to scan your physical card. Make sure you have your card ready and that you're in a well-lit area to ensure the app can accurately pick up all the necessary details. Using your device's camera within the app, position your card so that it fits within the on-screen guidelines. Capturing a clear image ensures that all the information is correctly scanned and transferred into your wallet. After you've successfully taken a picture of your card, the next step couldn't be easier. Simply click Done to proceed with finalizing the addition of your card. At this point, your virtual card will be created and compiled with the image data you just captured. This virtual version now securely resides in your Google Wallet, just a tap away when you need it. And there you have it, your physical card is now conveniently stored in your Google Wallet. You've just made accessing this card faster and easier, truly harnessing the power of going digital. This process not only helps simplify your life by reducing the clutter of physical cards, but it also adds a layer of security, reducing the risk of losing or damaging your physical card. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this video has been helpful in teaching you how to streamline your card storage using Google Wallet. Don't forget to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using digital tools to keep your life organized.